Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to my all fellow and friends. I am Rabia Halik from BS Biotechnology and my subject is Principle of Chemistry and my resource person Dr. Hamad Majid. Today my presentation topic is Chemistry of Body Lotion. Contents: Introduction, Composition of Lotion, Main Chemicals, Chemistry of Lotion, Chemical Analysis, Toxic Chemicals and Natural Material. Introduction. My chemistry of lotion. Lotion is what everyone needs. It provides moisture to your skin. I mainly choose lotion because I want to know what I'm putting on my skin. My life is affected by lotion because without it I would be a flaky, which is very unhygienic. Composition of lotion: sodium dioxide, water, titanium dioxide, petroleum, glycerine, citric acid, butylene glycol. Main chemicals, compounds and components. Petroleum. Petroleum, another name for it is a mineral oil. It is dug up from the ground and refined. What it does is trap the moisture to your skin, which can clog your pores. It's a natural occurring, but unfortunately it has become harder to find since the demand for it has increased. It is formed when plants or organisms are trapped in the layer of sediment for millions of years. Water covers about 70% of the earth. Found all over rivers, waterfalls, oceans and etc. Some scientists believe that it came from a different planet. Water consists of 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen molecule. Water is the main ingredient in lotion. What it is meant to do is to hydrate and moisturize the skin. Chemistry role: petroleum and water are combined into a mixture. These two elements do not combine. Water needs a charged element since oil is uncharged. It cannot combine. In order to fix this problem, they add surfactant, which attract both water and oil. Surfactant has 2 parts, which it allow it to bind with both water and oil. This process is also used on many other products. It is very important in the process of making lotion. Chemical analysis. Chemical analysis of cosmetics is very important to ensure that only permitted ingredients are added to the product. Information on the label is correct or not, and to help in forensic investigation. General methods: determination of methanol in relation to ethanol or to propanol by gas chromatography. Determination of chloromethane and 1,1,1 trichloroethane by gas chromatography. Determination of chlorobutanol by gas chromatography. Toxic chemicals. Before you reach for that pretty bottle lotion on your bathroom shelf, know what is inside may not be as innocent as it looks. There are dozens of ingredients currently being used in top brand body lotions that range from questionable to potentially hazardous. Watch out for these 6 toxic ingredients when scanning body lotion labels. Butylated hydroxynitrosol BHA is a food preservative and stabilizer that routinely shows up in body lotion as well as everything from lipstick to yeast infection treatment. But beware, it is an endocrine disruptor and reasonably anticipated to be a human carcinogen, according to the National Toxicology Program. DMDM hydrogen, this mysterious sounding ingredient, is a type of formaldehyde releasing preservative used in a host of personal care items, including body lotion. Formaldehyde releasers are used in 20% of all cosmetics and personal care products, according to the Environmental Working Group. It is an irritant for eyes and skin. And while there is no evidence that DMDM hydrogen itself is a carcinogen, formaldehyde is definitely, and if there is an impurity in DMDM hydrogen used in your moisturizer, there is a chance that formaldehyde is present. Fragrance or fragrance perfume. You may think it is a nice that your lotion smells like strawberries and cream. There is no way that scent is natural. When you see fragrance or perfume on a label, read a toxic mix of chemicals the manufacturer does not want to tell you about. Most notably, this include diethyl phthalate, according to the Environmental Working Group. You may have already heard of phthalates since there are just used in just about everything from cosmetic to insecticide to wood finishes, and they are known to be an endocrine disruptor and toxic to organ system. Synthetic fragrance like the one used in lotion also emit harmful vocals which pollute indoor air quality and cause respiratory allergy and asthma. Parabens. Parabens, you all find paraben in practically all popular commercial body lotion. Just look for butyl paraben, isobutyl paraben, methyl parabens, propyl paraben, or ethyl paraben on the label. They prevent bacteria and fungus from growing in your favorite bottle of moisturizer, which would be a great if they were not linked to hormone disruption and breast cancer. Luckily, manufacturers of organic lotions have found safer ways to keep their products fungus free, like using vitamin E and citric acid. These products tend to have a shorter shelf life than those that contain parabens. A safe one to try Wildcraft Organic Lemon Gloss Body Cream. Retinol palmitate. Retinol palmitate, the most controversial form of vitamin A, is a vitamin A derivative that they all see in some sunscreens as well as lotions and creams advertised to have anti-aging properties. A study published by the National Toxicology Program found the mice exposed to retinol palmitate developed a fighting number of tumors after exposure to sunlight. If you are going to use lotion that contains retinol palmitate, do so at night. Try ethanolamine. This mouthful of an ingredient is a highly alkaline substance that's used to balance the pH in various body lotions and cosmetics, especially mascara. Despite its widespread use, it is considered moderately dangerous and should never be used long term. According to the Dermatology Review, since it is a skin and respiratory irritant and toxicant to the immune system. It is also being linked to the cancer in animal studies. Triethanolamine is considered biodegradable and non-toxic to animals and organisms. Wastewater released from manufacturing plants containing large amount of triethanolamine can significantly alter the pH of rivers and streams, resulting in toxic shock to marine life. 6 natural materials of lotions. Coconut oil. Coconut oil great for all skin types, oily, dry, or combination with no side effect because of its antioxidant properties. It is also great in preventing premature aging and delay the appearance of wrinkle or sagging skin. Almond oil, a great option for dry skin as almond oil penetrates multiple layers of skin while other natural oils don't. Almond oil contains many antioxidants and help heal scar tissue and improve complexion and skin tone. Olive oil. Olive oil contains vitamin E, which promotes collagen production, a protein vital to healthy skin. However, some studies have shown that olive oil can irritate individuals with sensitive skin. So if that pertains to you, make sure to just try it out in a little area of your skin before lathering it all over. Shea butter contains vitamin A, E, F, and K. It promotes cell regeneration, which help heal wound and keep your skin looking health and keep your skin looking healthy. Cocoa butter. Cocoa butter has been shown to improve skin elasticity and skin tone as it promotes collagen growth. The antioxidant found in the cocoa butter also protect the skin from the inside by neutralizing oxidative stress, a major factor of premature skin aging. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is a great for both dry and oily skin. It contains 75 different compounds that actively promote healthy skin, prevent scarring, and decrease skin inflammation. Aloe vera has also been shown help to fight acne. Thanks.